What is up, everybody? I know it's been such a long time since I've made my last YouTube video, but today we're going to be doing about a 3-month update on this right here, this bad boy. This is C6 Ceramics Hydro. If you don't know, I am a C6 Ceramics certified installer, and I installed Hydro on my vehicle about 3 months ago. Like, I think it was May 3rd, and it's almost August. So let's go ahead and do that update. So let's go ahead and turn on our pressure washer right here. And this is before the wash. I don't know if you guys can see. I know it's dark. It was like 105 degrees today, so I wanted to wait till the temperatures were cool. But my car is filthy, hasn't been washed probably in about a month or so. So let's see what the hydrophobics look like. No contact wash, just straight up rinsing. So hood looks phenomenal. What about the front bumper? Front bumper looks absolutely amazing. Let me loop around the car. It is dark, so I want to get to the area where you guys can see the best. I have been maintaining this with rinseless wash. I think I've done about 3 or 4 washes with rinseless in between since I fully coated it. So, but this is my first time actually whipping out the pressure washer. Jeez, looks phenomenal. And I apologize if it sounds like I'm out of breath. It's because I am. I'm a big boy, so. Look at that, guys. Jeez. No contact wash has been done. Let's go ahead and check these lower panels. You can see kind of the outline of my magnet here. Absolutely zero signs of any clogging. Windows look great. Now, I had to drive to Dallas and it was raining really hard when I was driving down there, and I used my wipers a lot. So yeah, let's see how the windshield's doing. I mean, windshield's doing really good. Definitely not as crazy as the hood. I mean, still doing really good for taking into consideration how much I used the wipers. Super good. I am actually very impressed so far. Let's get into the contact wash before the sun sets. Alrighty, so we're also taking this time to test out this soap that we got sent to us by Defy Detail Supplies on TikTok. I'm honestly not sure if they have a website or not, but this stuff smells really good. So, I mean, take a look. First of all, take a look at the color. I put about 3 ounces of this soap in the bucket. That's just straight up like neon green. About 3 ounces in the foam cannon as well. So let's go ahead and glove up and test it out. Alrighty, so we have it hooked up to our MJJC. Go to give it a little twirls for good luck, and let's go and see how the foams. Well, let me adjust the fan pattern real quick. So initial thoughts, it's definitely more of a runnier foam. I put 3 ounces in the foam cannon. I don't know if I want to do any more, so I'm just keep it at this, but smells good. Initial thoughts, not the foamiest. The good thing though about having a runny foam is that this is going to pull, especially with the ceramic coating on it, any surface dirt is going to be pulling it straight down to the floor. Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna let this sit for about like a minute or so, let it pull down all the contaminants, and then we'll go to the contact wash. Alrighty, it's been about a minute or so, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse off the soap. Rinses off real nice. And y'all can just tell the C6 coating is doing really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all this off of camera, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I went ahead and pre-foamed the car again, and now we're gonna go ahead and start washing. I will say, holy crap, slickness of this soap is really good. Granted, the C6 Hydro is probably adding to some of that slickness, as this coating is pretty dang slick. But yeah, I'm digging it. Let's go ahead and go to here. Looking good, feeling good, smelling good too. Stuff's awesome. But if you're interested in any of the products that I use, of course, besides C6 Hydro, because you can't buy that, there'll be the link in the description below. If I don't link it, ask me in the comments and I'll add the link. You're all up in here. I don't know why camera quality is really bad. I've learned my phone does not like to record in the dark, so I'm probably gonna wash the rest of this off camera and we'll go back to the rinse. Alright guys, so now we're doing the rinse off. And this stuff's looking really freaking good. You can see the soap dried, but that don't really matter because we're not in the sun. Sheesh, look at that. Now don't worry, I should have, but I didn't coat this, so don't worry about the top. So yeah, Hydrophobics post-wash are even tighter. The beads are even tighter and more round. Look at those beads. I don't know if y'all can see that. Looks really dang good. Yeah, super good. I'll get back to you guys when I start to dry. Alrighty folks, it is time to dry and go ahead and showcase two really cool things. This right here is the Ryobi compact mini blower, and then this right here is a towel that most of you guys probably have never heard of. This is the Nighthawk brand DTX6. It's a 1600 GSM towel and it is a 75-25 blend. So we're gonna go ahead and blow off a good chunk of the water and then take this to the test. As you can see, basically like 99% of the water is gone, but to give this towel a fair test, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more water on and we're gonna dry it. Alrighty, so here again is the Nighthawk brand DTX6 towel. This is their newest edition. It is black. I've had all of their other previous ones. I have at least 10 of their towels. These are the best towels I've ever used. Better than the Autofiber, better than any rag company towel. And trust me, I'm not paid to say any of this. I'm not paid by Nighthawk. I've bought at least 90% of my towels. I have had some sent to me, but 90% of the ones I got from him, I paid for myself. So let's go ahead, drop the towel on, spread it around. Do with pull. Look at that, guys. Completely freaking dry. No sunlight. It's super humid. I'm in Oklahoma. I should challenge what's his name? Should challenge Jamie to clean it for who's actually the Swamp King. Because Oklahoma, man, it gets swampy over here. But yeah, stuff dries really well. These little marks you're seeing here aren't streaks. It's just humidity marks because there's no sunlight to kind of help evaporate anything else. But this stuff is really freaking good. Well, this towel right here, I'm telling you, really dang good. You guys should really look into getting one of these towels right here. Nighthawk brand DTX6. It's a 1600 GSM towel. You can see it's pretty dang big too. Covers about a good chunk of my hood. They're 75-25 blend. It's a very durable blend. They won't clog up with sealants nearly as much. And it's just from a small brand, guys. Not a lot of people have ever heard of Nighthawk. There's a brand trying to make it. They're more popular on TikTok than anything else. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out. I will have this stuff linked in my bio if you guys are interested in trying out one of these DTX6 towels. I will make a video one day doing it in the sunlight. That way you'll see these are all streaks. It's just humidity marks from doing it in the absolute darkness. So I love these towels, and I really think you guys would really like them too. So, and if you're a big influencer, go ahead and feel free to send Chris, is the owner of Nighthawk, send him a message. Maybe he'll send you a free one. So that, my friends, is going to be the end of the 3-month update on C6 Hydro. As you guys can see, it's doing phenomenal. Doesn't look like it got hit at all with anything. The bumpers are totally fine. I haven't had to use any bug remover, any harsh chemicals at all during these past 3 months. Just I've been maintaining a pure rinseless. This is really the first time I whipped out my pressure washer with any like soap or anything. I've been just maintaining with rinseless wash. So I know you guys, most people can't get their hands on this. The closest thing is going to be something called C6 Hydro Light. I'll put a picture of it right there. There you go. You guys can buy a Hydro Light, but if you are in the Oklahoma City area, or honestly anywhere in Oklahoma, and you are interested in getting your vehicle coated with C6 Ceramics Hydro, go ahead and leave a comment below. Tell me that you're interested, and we'll get in contact and we can talk about pricing. And yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys stayed to the end, I really do appreciate it. I need to grow my YouTube audience. I have about like almost 8,000 on TikTok, but only like 300 on YouTube. But I appreciate every single one of you who've been watching. So there you go. C6 Ceramics Hydro 3-month update, looking brand new. And I test these coatings hard. I don't do no water spout remover before the 6-month mark, like nothing like that. So if it starts to look weak, I'll tell you it looks weak. If it's looking really good, I'll tell you it's looking really good. So there you go. And if you guys are interested in seeing an update on C6 Ceramics Diamond Gloss, I will reach out to my customer and see if he would like to do a maintenance wash. So go ahead and hit that like button if you want to see what C6 Ceramics Diamond Gloss looks like at about 2.5 months. So yeah, awesome guys. Have a good one. Thank you for tuning in.